It's time to answer your Twitter questions as we do every Monday here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer. Jim, let's kick things off with a look at 3D printers. Kunal asks, how do you like 3D systems long term?
No, not at all. I think that this is a commodity business. When Hewlett-Packard splits in 2016, you'll see them dominate 3D printing. You don't want to touch 3D.
All right, well, with the big Star Wars film coming out later this year, Cordelia asks, what's the potential for Imax?
Okay, look, Imax has had a very good run, and I've got to tell you, I don't think that that's the way to play it. You play Star Wars with Disney, and when Disney comes in, you buy it.
Okay, how about cybersecurity? Daniel wants to know if you prefer FireEye or CyberArk.
I think the CyberArk upgrade by Merrill Lynch is very, very important because I think that they've got the momentum, but the stock has come in bad since the secondary.
Now, Chuck likes Caterpillar under 80. What do you think?
I don't have a bull case for Caterpillar because I think Caterpillar is uniquely levered to minerals and oil, and I do think that the mineral trade is over with the slowdown in the growth of China.
All right, I know Biotechs high on your radar right now. Kay wants to know, any chance you'll remove Gilead from the Four Horsemen and replace it with something else?
No, I mean the Four Horsemen, which Gilead, Biogen, Celgene, Regeneron, they remain my go-to names. They've been phenomenal since the book was written, but I've got to tell you, that group has to pull in because it's been too red hot. When you see too red hot, you remember what we got during the March-April period last year. Of course, there was a plethora of IPOs that came last year. That has not happened this year, but I want to step away from that group for a couple of days. Don't buy.
Okay, last one's on retail. Art asks, what's going on with Dillard's? It seems to grow daily.
Dillard's is absolutely maybe one of the best in show. I've got to spend more time on Mad Money talking about Dillard's because they really revamped their product line. It is just a red hot retailer along with Ross Stores. Those are two of my favorites.
Great. Thank you so much, Jim. And make sure to tweet your questions for Jim every Monday using #CramerCube. That's Jim Cramer and I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.